Hi, my name is Veronica with Wreaths by Veronica. Today I want to show you some of the wreaths that I have been working with and tutorials that I have done on. And if you subscribe to my YouTube channel, you will get the opportunity to watch some of my tutorials. This is one of my tutorials I did on my YouTube channel. Actually, it was my first one. Look how beautiful it is. It has a beautiful welcome spring wreath sign in there, and it just welcomes spring in. It has beautiful deco mesh in here, metallic. One thing I do use is good quality materials. So as you can see how that wreath just shines, it just sparkles all over. And I have flowers in there. Those are purple flowers in there. I have green. I'm gonna come in closer so you could take a look at all the beautiful colors that just screams spring. So I'm also on Facebook, Instagram, and Pinterest. I also have an Etsy shop. So if you want to follow me on my YouTube channel, you'll get an opportunity to watch some of the tutorials. And as you can see, this was my second tutorial. I did a centerpiece for Easter. This is a bunny rabbit with the ears, and look at the feet. Aren't they gorgeous? And I have Easter eggs in there. I incorporated some bows on the bunny ears. As you can see, it's simply full. Very full. This will look great on your table for Easter. Also on your, if you have a sofa table, you can place it there and it will be great. This is one also that I was working on, and this is a grapevine wreath. Just incorporated another welcome sign. Excuse me. Also put a satin bow, made a satin bow with long streamers attached to it. And we have greenery. This will look great too, bringing in spring. And this here is a beautiful sign here that you come in and look at it. Awesome. I'm just gonna go around. And this is one I just finished doing. It will be uploaded soon today. This is a Uncle Sam's wreath, and this will look great for the 4th of July, Memorial Day, Labor Day, all those holidays that's coming up, Veterans Day as well. He has a hat in and his legs. It's right there. My name is Veronica with Wreaths by Veronica. I'm in Houston, Texas. And right now I'm in my craft room where all the creativity begins. I also do embroidery and vinyl designs as well. Not just wreaths. Wreaths is my forte though. I love making wreaths. So if you need a wreath for any holiday, please let Wreaths by Veronica take care of that for you. For if you need it for a baby shower, anniversary, birthdays, whatever you need, I can take care of that for you. So thank you for watching, and please click on the subscription button and also click on the bell. That way you will get notification when I go live or when I have uploaded another video. Thank you. Have a beautiful and safe weekend. I love you, and also always remember, put God first and everything else will fall in line.